Rx-based state management. What does that mean? Basically, a lot of jargon, but today I will show you one way to make use of the concept of state management. Add an loading bar to an Angular app and make it watch HTTP connections application-wise. First, let's head out to StackBlitz and create a new Angular application. Make sure to update npm packages to pump up the version to version 15. Create a new partial component in common folder, loader.partial. The basic element is a simple progress bar with CSS animation. I have stolen the CSS from Material Design Progress Bar, cleaned it up, and dressed it nicely for simplicity. This component is standalone, so in application root module, we will import it directly. First, clean up the root module and remove the parts that we do not need. Then let's add the loader component to the imports array. Now in app component, add the HTTP loader tag at the top. Refresh. Watch it dance. Now let's control it. Add ngIf statement to show and hide according to a boolean. Then an app component will create a couple of buttons, one to show loading bar and one to hide it. This is to build up the basic ingredients as we go along. In RxJS based state management, we need the following pattern: a local behavior subject and an observable. The behavior subject is used to keep state progressing. The observable watches the subject and reacts to it, so our mimicking functions will next to true and false accordingly. Then we listen to an observable and pass it to the HTTP loader component. Let's create an input property with that signal. And now the loader partial shows and hides according to the signal. Add some styles to see the buttons. Fix a typo of async pipe. Click on Show button shows the bar, and clicking on the Hide button hides the bar. Next, we will make use of this pattern to create an app-wise state, and later we will trigger the state via HTTP client interception. Let's move the behavior subject and observable to our state class.